This is the day in life as a hotel housekeeper. We got our list of the rooms, who's in them, and which ones we need to check, and just kind of like a checklist of what needs to be done. So we do stays or servicing the rooms. We make the beds, just clean up and tidy up the room a little bit. Gloves are kind of so important because your hands will get dry from the chemicals that we clean with if you don't wear them. So gloves, yes. It's probably best to spray it on the rag so then you don't breathe it in all the time. And gotta check it off and check off everything that we did in that room that day. So we do our own laundry, so we have to do trips throughout the day to start loads and change loads and all the kind of stuff like that. So it's winter time, so it's kind of our slower season, so we have to go through all our empty rooms, and since we live in Alaska and it's cold, we got to run the water so the pipes don't freeze. So yeah, we gotta do that in every single empty room. We also got to check the heaters and make sure they're at the right temperature and make sure that they're still running and they're blowing warm air. Here's the window view, and it can get into like the negatives, but it's been like a warm winter this year. We have about a 30-minute lunch break at 11 every day. So of course there are rooms that are messier than others and take longer to clean. So housekeeping can be a physical job, so drink lots of water. So once all the rooms are done, then we put away the cart and then we do other housekeeping duties that we have. One of my favorite things of the day is taking out the trash because I get to go outside, get some fresh air for a moment. This is the laundry chute. It connects to the laundry room. I'm on the 3rd floor, and that's what it looks like from the top angle. Always got to be checking the laundry, and this is what the chute looks like from the laundry room. Definitely getting all those steps in. We have no elevator. 3 floors, bruh. Vacuuming the hallways and the common areas. So this is our supply closet. We just gotta restock everything that we used today. This is our other supply closet. Restocking more stuff and just filling up everything that we used today. And the last part of our day ends with laundry, folding laundry and putting it away.
But yeah, and so that's what the job looks kind of like. It's different for all hotels. Here it's pretty chill and relaxed. Thanks guys for watching. Have a good, blessed day. Bye.